For our next program, we're going to go ahead and convert quarts to liters. Okay, so you will find this starting code at the top of the description below. You'll notice here that I do have a little bit of styling. This is saying that we'll go ahead and style the ID output div when that comes up. So we'll see some nice blue color there. We're already referencing our JavaScript file. Let's go ahead and make a function. So I'm going to go ahead and split this to the right. And I'll say function, paste, and open up my curly braces. I can close that side. And then I'm going to say let volume in quarts equals, and we'll say document.getElementById. And the ID is, it's hiding over here, quarts. Okay, so quarts dot value. Now again, this we're going to have to parse. Anytime we're working with numbers, we need to parse them so that we can do math with them. Man, VS Code keeps on correcting that. Dot value. Okay, so there's our input. And then if we look at Google, let's actually just go to Google real quick, and I'll just say quarts to liters. Okay, you can see that we're multiplying a quart by that much. All right, so let's come back over here, and I'll say let liters in quart equals that. And then we can say let volume in liters equals volume in quarts times the number of liters in a quart. Okay, so there's our input, there's our processing, and let's go ahead and output. So we'll say document.getElementById, output div, I'm seeing there at the bottom, dot, inner HTML equals volume in liters. Okay, let's run it and let's see if it works. All right, so we called this quarts to liters. All right, please enter the volume in quarts. We'll say 5, calculate to liters, and it says 4.731765. Let's see if that works. So I'm going to put 5 right here and 4.73, 4.73. And so you can see this program is working very nicely. Okay. Again, if we wanted to spice things up a little bit, we could do the same thing with string concatenation that we've done before, where instead of just saying the volume in liters, we could say, you know, there are, and then kind of shape it how we want to. But anyways, I hope that this was helpful. I'll see you guys in the next video.